I've been selling eBay actually since I was 11 years old, and I didn't know there was tools until recently, which are game changer. And I think everybody who sells on eBay should utilize tools so that way they can get that competitive edge. You can see that we've recently implemented 3D sellers. Our sales spiked. We ran out of stock, and a lot of the tools in here make our life 10 times easier, such as the automated messages and the automated feedback, which is in your marketing tab. 3D Sellers has that option. We have it all turned on where right when the item sold, we're like, thank you so much for your purchase. We're going to send you your tracking. And then 3D Sellers, right when we put that tracking number in eBay, it automatically messages the eBay customer, which is huge. And it says, here's your tracking. And that avoids 90% of issues on eBay, which I think every seller should implement. And especially the negative feedback. When a buyer leaves negative feedback, you want to try to resolve that problem as quickly as possible. Because sometimes if you wait a week and then you message the buyer, oh, we just noticed you left negative feedback, then they feel like you didn't care about them. But if you tackle it really quick, and that's what the 3D Sellers does, like you'll be like, oh, 3D Sellers automatically notified me and emailed the customer right when we got negative feedback, so we can resolve that. We have been able to resolve that. If you check our rating right here, right now we have 0 negative feedback. I mean, getting a lot of positive feedback lately, and we have 100% rating. And a lot of that is from these automations that if you had a team, it would cost a lot of money for them to track these every day. I think that 3D Sellers is extremely easy to use. It's just making sure that you just take it one step at a time. Don't get overwhelmed with how much 3D Sellers can do for you, but just take it one step at a time. So it's a great tool. I've tried a lot of other eBay tools. Yeah. They only have designs. That's all they offer, which is nice. And then, but I'm like, okay, what about this? And then you guys have all of it. So I think it makes it a lot better. Instead of buying like 10 different tools, you just buy one